Must have flown in Baton Rouge, waiting for a train. Feel nearly fading as my dreams. Bobby flying the diesel down just before it rained. Took us all the way to Percy. I took my heart out of dirty red bandana. Was I Bobby's side of blue? Windshield wipers slapping time. Bobby coming out. much, guys. Get out safe. Grab a t-shirt from us on the way out. Cheers.